Life is a tapestry woven with threads of joy and sorrow, triumphs and tribulations. We experience moments that make our hearts soar with gratitude, and then there are times when darkness descends, casting long shadows of despair. It is in these moments of profound difficulty, when every path seems blocked and every door seems bolted shut, that we truly grasp the fragility of our human existence. Imagine a young student, her heart pounding with anticipation as she awaits the results of a crucial exam. Her dreams, her aspirations hinge on this one piece of paper. But as she reads the results, her heart sinks. Failure. The world around her seems to crumble. Or picture a loving father, his brow furrowed with worry as he struggles to provide for his family. The weight of responsibility feels crushing, and he wonders how he will make ends meet. These are the moments when we feel lost and alone, when the weight of our circumstances threatens to engulf us. It's in these dark moments when our faith is truly tested, and we question everything. Where do we turn when all doors seem closed? In the depths of our despair, when all hope seems lost, Islam offers a profound source of solace and strength. Dua. More than just a prayer, dua is a lifeline to our Creator, a heartfelt conversation with the One who hears every whisper of our souls. It is an act of surrender, an acknowledgement of our limitations and our utter dependence on Allah's infinite mercy. When we make dua, we are not merely reciting empty words. We are pouring out our hearts to the One who understands us better than we understand ourselves. We are acknowledging His power and His wisdom, and seeking His guidance and His help in our time of need. One of the most beautiful aspects of dua is that it can be made anytime, anywhere. There are no prerequisites, no special rituals, no intermediaries. Whether we are alone in the quiet of the night or surrounded by the bustle of daily life, our hearts can always turn to Allah. In the midst of tribulation, when anxiety threatens to consume us, dua offers a sanctuary of peace. Remember that Allah, in His infinite wisdom, does not burden a soul beyond what it can bear. He tests those He loves, not to break them, but to mold them into stronger, more resilient versions of themselves. Section 4. Echoes of Hope. Stories of answered duas. Throughout Islamic history, we find countless examples of individuals who faced seemingly insurmountable challenges, but found solace and deliverance through the power of dua. Prophet Yunus, peace be upon him, swallowed by a whale, cried out to Allah in the depths of darkness, "There is no deity except you, exalted are you. Indeed, I have been of the wrongdoers." Quran 21:87. His sincere dua was answered, and he was returned to the shore. Consider the story of Prophet Ayub, peace be upon him, who endured unimaginable suffering with unwavering faith. Afflicted with a severe illness, he lost his wealth, his children, and even his health. Yet he never lost hope in Allah's mercy. He turned to his Lord in earnest supplication and mentioned Job when he called to his Lord, "Indeed, adversity has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful." Quran 21:83. And Allah, in His infinite compassion, restored his health, his family, and his wealth. Section 5. Allah's Promise. Every dua is heard. It is essential to remember that Allah responds to every dua. Sometimes the answer is immediate, a resounding yes to our pleas. Other times the answer may be delayed, a test of our patience and our faith. But rest assured, every sincere dua is heard and acknowledged by the One who created us. In His infinite wisdom, Allah may respond to our duas in ways we do not expect. He may not remove the obstacle from our path, but instead, He may grant us the strength and the resilience to overcome it. He may not change our circumstances, but He may change our hearts, filling them with peace and acceptance. Section 6. The unwavering power of dua, your lifeline in times of need. When we face trials and tribulations, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, to believe that we are alone in our struggles. But remember, Allah is always with us, closer to us than our own jugular veins. He hears every whispered prayer, every tear that falls, every silent plea for help. Dua is our lifeline in times of need, a powerful tool that connects us to the source of all comfort and all strength. So the next time you find yourself facing a closed door, remember the power of dua. Turn to your Creator with sincerity and humility, and trust that He hears you, He sees you, and He will respond in the way that is best for you.